Yeah guys, today I'm gonna make festival and lunch and meat. Yeah, it's a festival and lunch and meat today guys. So brand new festival me pull. So I go on here. Just pull this a while ago. So see it over here so in I basin. So what am I gonna do guys? You know say when you put sugar and a little vanilla and a grate one little piece of nutmeg in your festival, it's nice. And guys, this is what I'm gonna do today. So just watch what I go on in the kitchen. I go knead up my dough and make you see what I go on. So just when I watch out the whole video, yeah, soon be back. Yeah guys, so see me grate some nutmeg. I'm gonna put a little vanilla in my festival. Yeah guys, a little bit of vanilla in my festival. I'm gonna put a little salt and a little baking powder because you don't know say everything coming out already. You understand how I do it, so guys, just stay tuned and watch what go on in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so see me make me dough. And remember guys, me put a little piece of nutmeg, grate on a little piece of nutmeg, a little vanilla, and put a little more baking powder and some salt. You understand what I did? You don't know the festival mix come with everything inside it already, so me just add a little more to it. And me add a little more flour to it, or normal flour. Yeah, me just put a little more. So guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up my stove. Yeah, see me iron in iPad, so I'm gonna light up my stove for my lunch, for my festival. So guys, watch what I go on in Nicholas' kitchen. Yeah guys, so see my festival over here, so I go on set little, you understand what I did, yeah. And see my lunch and meat. Guys, I go bad up if you know what I go on. Be a badness in the kitchen today. I show you say I'm a chef. You understand what I did, yeah. So I soon be back. Yeah guys, so I light up the stove now. Yeah, fire under it. So what I do make it go hot. And then I go make my festival them put in and make you see what I go on. Yeah, festival and lunch and meat. That one I go bad guys. Cause you see festival I go eat different. It I go have a different taste. Because the vanilla and the nutmeg. You understand what I did? Yeah. And more time you have to change up the things them we are deal with. Like your food stuff and then you just change it, your recipe. You understand what I did? Yeah, you just change up it. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen today. Yeah guys, look for my festival them in the pots. See that so them brown and pretty? Yeah. They want you bad. I not like to tell you. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. That one I go bad. I not like to tell you. Yeah, festival and lunch and meat. Look for the festival them guys. The two different making a festival. So that, yeah, two different making a festival. Look the guys, yeah. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned for the finishing look. The festival and my lunch and meat. Be badness in our kitchen, you don't know Nicholas' kitchen run already. Yeah guys, look my festival. Yeah. So you go see finishing look when it on the lunch and meat in the plate. Yeah. So I go eat my lunch and meat now and I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah, me soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go cut up my lunch and meat now and fry and I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah, so stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look on my lunch and meat and festival. Yeah guys, lunch and meat and festival, I don't know about badness go already. I'm out.